Yes, good morning to all. Yes, myself, Dr. Virendra Umale from Electrical Department. Yes, my topic is related with the subject that is a high voltage engineering. So today I will discuss with the topic that is breakdown mechanism in dielectric field. So before that, what is breakdown? Breakdown is nothing but that is limitations of the breakdown systems. After that, the current is flowing through that insulator is called as the breakdown. So now it contains conduction and breakdown in gases. A number of breakdowns are occurs, that is a solid, liquid and gaseous. Here we will discuss with the that is a gases. So most of electrical appliances that is use air insulating medium in few cases other than gases, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, freon and sulfur oxides are used. So number of breakdowns are already discussed with. So here we can discuss that is gaseous. When the applied voltage is low, small current flowing between the electrodes and insulation retain its electrical properties. That is, if suppose what is breakdown? If suppose is applied voltage is less, then small current is flowing between that electrodes. So this is the process of the breakdown system. If the applied voltage are large, the current flowing through the insulation increase very sharply and electrical breakdown. Okay. So when applied voltage is low, then there is no any breakdown. When applied voltage is high, then definitely the current flowing through the insulation is increased very sharply. When the current is increases, that the breakdown is definitely occurs. At the same fundamental, we are going through the gaseous. A strongly conducted spark formed during breakdown practically produce a short circuit between the electrodes. Yes, definitely. Once the breakdown is occurred, that time a short circuit is happened between the electrodes. The maximum voltage applied to the insulation at is called as the breakdown voltage. Yes, definitely when a voltage is increased between the insulation at the same time when the insulation is increased and definitely the breakdown is occurred and that voltage is nothing but called as the breakdown voltage. The buildup of high current in breakdown is due to the process is known as ionization. Yes, ionization is another part of the definitely breakdown. What is ionization? Definitely ionization is nothing but a high current in the breakdown is due to the process is known as ionization, in which electrons and ions are created from neutral atoms or molecule and their migrations to the anode and cathode respectively leads to high currents. Yes, when the ionization is occurs, that time the electrodes and ions are created and using that ions and created a high current is produced. Using that fundamental, the here we can discuss the two theories, that is first is the Townsend theory as well as the streamers. Yes, definitely we are still going with the gaseous breakdown, and in this gaseous breakdown the two theories are there, that is a Townsend's theory and second is the streamers, which are known with explain with mechanism breakdown with different conditions. Yes, the different breakdowns is occur in different way. So these two theories are discussed with the another way, that is Townsend's theory as well as the streamers. So first we'll see the Townsend's theory. Before that, just again we'll find the ionization process. When high voltage is applied between the two electrodes, immerse a gaseous medium, the gas becomes a conductor and the electrical breakdown occur. Is using that definition, the process that are primarily responsible for the breakdown of gas are ionized by collisions, photoionizations, and the secondary ionization process. The ionization process, when occur, it is in the forms of photoionization as well as the second ionization process. Now next, ionization by collisions. These are related with the ionization. Once we finalize the definition of ionization, using that ionization, this we can utilize in the Townsend's theory. The process of liberating an electrons from a gas molecule with the simultaneous production of positive ion is called as ionization. Yes, before already we seen when the positive ions are developed, that is called as a ionization. In this process, the ionization by collision, a free electrode collides with the neutral gas. Okay, some free electrons are already there. That free electrons are collides with the gas molecules and give rise to new electrons and positive. Once some electrons are there, they are attached with the molecules, and against a new positive ions are there. So this is a process using that the ionization is occur. If consider a low pressure gas column in which electric field is applied across two planes, if energy is gained during this travel between collisions, the ionization is occur. Okay. So using that processes, the same things, the two electrodes, that is A and C, the current, the molecules are forms between these two plates, which is denoted by D, and distance is dx. So this is a process is utilized for the ionizations. Okay. So this is a simple graph for the Townsend's ionization process. So first we'll see the Townsend ionization, and after that again we will come back to the this flow simple diagrams. So ionization, first Townsend ionization is related with the gaseous breakdown. At high electric stress, the charged particle in air may gain sufficient energy leading to collide with the neutral molecules and may cause ionization. Therefore, conduction of current occurs through the gas. The variation of current in a function of applied voltage across through the gas. The variation of current as a function of applied voltage was studied by Townsend. The theory proposed is called as Townsend's theory. Yes, Townsend is a scientist which developed a Townsend first ionization. So here what happened exactly? When a high electric stress is applied between the electrodes, a charged particle in air may sufficient to leading to the collisions. Yes. When we applied a high electric stress, then charged particle is collision with the neutral molecule which is occurring in the air, which may cause ionization. Therefore, conduction of current occurs through the gases. Once ionization is occurred, then the current is flowing through that gases. The variation of current as a function of applied voltage, when definitely the current is occurred, that is a function of applied voltage through the gases. The variation of applied voltage is nothing but a function of Townsend's. So this theory is nothing but called as a Townsend's theory. So this Townsend's theory is related with the, yes, the same. When L electrons move a distance dx, dn electrons are produced. Yes, before that,